most of the people right now rating it as 10 out of 10. Kaya, I'm so curious about it. So, let's taste it now. Kakulay pa siya ng damit ko. So, it has deep red cocoa infused cookie cake with cream cheese filling. Lasang-lasa ko yung cream cheese. Wait lang. Kumangagaw. Okay siya. Perfect to sa mga trentahing tao. Okay siya. Okay naman, okay yung lasa niya kasi hindi siya super tamis. And, mas nagko-complement yung cream cheese filling. Kasi na-neutralize niya yung red velvet cake and yung palaman niya. So, I'll give it as 9 over 10.
Yeah, 9 over 10.
That's it for today. Bye!